see you. You weren't kidding, were you?
No, these boys really want to say hello.
Got an idea. Hunker down.
That's the plan.
Keep it pinned down. There! Don't let him escape! Talk too much anyway. Whoever said bigger isn't better, never sat behind the wheel of one of these. Coming to you now, Greenway. Come on! Ready? Got it!
Christ! What the hell was that? Come on. Not good. Not good at all.
Here, take this. You hold them off while I try and get this thing moving again. Come on! There you go! Hold on. We're moving again. Run!
Thanks. You're hit.